Nature is the beating heart of our planet. We all depend on it. From the tiniest of animals to the most majestic of creatures, every living being has a part to play in this vast tapestry of life. Our story unfolds here in Southeast Asia. At Mandai Nature, we're on a mission to save some of our region's most threatened and neglected species. We can't do this alone. As the conservation arm of Mandai Wildlife Group, we collaborate to bolster conservation efforts for species in and outside of their natural habitats, enabling field programs and research, empowering communities to protect nature, mobilizing global networks, uniting strength to assess, plan, and ultimately act for species conservation, investing in partners and those who care, whilst nurturing the next generation of conservation leaders together. The future of our planet and its beautiful species lies in our hands. Together we can make a lasting impact. Join us in building a world where wildlife and people are thriving together in healthy ecosystems.